Hi, my name is Tim Wright from European Kitchen Group. Welcome to our stand at the Melbourne Home Show. I'll show you around some of our displays. This end of the studio are Cesar kitchens from Italy. The first one is called Unit. It's a raised leg island bar, very elegant design. As you can see there, it's all in a white matte lacquer. It also features 3 metre high tall units with single doors. There's a single door is a 3 metre door with a mitered edge detail feature. So there's no end panels, everything's very refined, very simple, very elegant. We've also got white induction cooktops and white sinks and taps from KWC. All cabinetry has integrated bin systems, drawer and storage systems, all Blum hardware, soft close as standard. The next one is from Cesar again in Italy. This is called New L, and this features a Decton Sirius bench top. Very popular, solid, workable worktop. Also features the Trilly open shelving unit at the back, which I'll walk you over and show you. And also the wall waiter system from Cesar. Cesar original product. I'll now take you over to the Rempp range from Germany. This is the Rempp kitchen from Germany. This is a rock face lacquered door. Beautiful textured hand finished lacquer door. Soft close mechanisms. All these hardware's from Grass in Austria. Again, another Decton bench top. 12 millimeter fine refined finish. Again, we've got bin systems from Rempp with an integrated stainless steel grip handle built into the door. Bin systems again. This time we've got a uplift mechanism with a servo drive system using a matte high gloss lacquered laminate door in light grey. The base units are steel patina, feature corner panel so you can access the entire unit in a patina steel look lacquered finish door. Again, stainless Decton bench tops in Kayla, black sinks to match. Coming over to the storage centre, we have a bar system with a bifold door system and drawers beneath. Integrated fridges and larder units with independent drawers. So drawers for all sizes, depending upon what's required. Also open shelving units with glass shelving inserts and pull-out pantry systems by Castlebomber Wireware. So in a nutshell, that's the European Kitchen Group stand for the Melbourne Home Show. Thanks for having a look.